My name is Diane Hines, and I'm a native Detroiter. And I went to school at the University of Michigan School of Dentistry. I went undergrad there as well. I received my bachelor's in psychology. Then I went on and enrolled into the University of Michigan School of Dentistry. And upon graduating from dental school, I worked as a public health dentist. And what does that mean? What that means is that I was at Oakland County Health Department, the City of Detroit Health Department. I worked with the underserved populations, and I also worked in the jail and the prisons and things of that nature, which made me be more compassionate to the needs of others as far as giving. And from there, I became active with the MDA. So I worked with organized dentistry. I served in several MDA committees, the Committee for Continuing Education. I worked in several campaigns for presidents of the MDA. And also I was appointed by two governors to serve on the State Board of Dentistry. And I served on the State Board of Dentistry for 8 years, and I was the chair of that particular position for 4.